Hi, it's Paul at Formulate. I wanted to talk to you today about some of the challenges we're seeing in our industry, particularly in commercial fit-out. As we know, the war in the Middle East has had an impact on the cost of many things, with petrol being one of them, and that is having a flow-on effect to the cost of raw materials. We've been advised by our suppliers that prices are starting to increase, and we expect to see those across May, June and July. What I'm committing to is that we help our customers with the cost of these projects by absorbing the raw material costs as long as we can. We expect to see these passed on to us starting from the 1st of June. But the good news is if you commit to projects with us and have them installed by the end of June, we'll make sure that those prices are held for you at today's rate. Of course, with the end of financial year approaching and budgets starting to run out, now's a good time to think about getting your project finalised and booked in for installation, because with the mad rush for June 30, we run out of time and install days become less. So if you're thinking about getting your project finished, give us a call today and talk to us about our schedule and how we can help you get your project delivered in this financial year.